Hi guys, this is Pinakshi. Welcome to my channel. Today's video is a very exciting video because this is about unboxing a dollhouse playset. So let's start quickly. This dollhouse has 50 pieces in it. It is my deluxe dollhouse from Toyzone. This is for kids above 3 years of age. Here on the box you can see the picture of the dollhouse playset. It is quite big in size and the MRP of this is rupees 1499 and there was a 60% discount when I bought it, which makes it even more exciting. So guys, always wait for sales and discounts. On this side of the box, the picture is guiding about the different rooms it has. We are going to have bathroom, bedroom, terrace, garage, dining room, living room and family room. This is the carry holder with which we can easily keep the dollhouse wherever we want to keep it. Here is a quick view about the various things which we are going to get in it. Now it's time to see the dollhouse and I'll just take it out very fast. This is one of the best dollhouse in this price. The house is amazing and since we have got so many things in it, we have created a part 2 video of this dollhouse playset where we have shown how to set up the dollhouse and get it ready for the little ones for them to start playing. Link for the second part is given above, you can watch that as well. For now, let's see everything we have got here. I really like this dollhouse as there is very little assembling that parents would need to do, as everything has already been done here. Kids can just paste the stickers and the house would be ready for them. This is the front side of the house and it looks amazing. This is the entryway. Then here I am showing the top view. This is all in this video. Hope you liked the video. Thank you for watching.